Clock's here separated by maybe 2 seconds. Simmons behind the back, and Embiid for 3. Got it!
Pick and roll, the pop out, then finding with a nice little behind the back pass.
Good idea. Any way they can do it, Molly. Any way they can do it. Here's Simmons. Says he go all 94. Does the curly kneel thing. Now he unloads to the teammate. It is Saric, who takes matters into his own capable hands.
Good to see Shishi get off to a good start. Been struggling a little bit out of rhythm. That time engaged early.
Simmons working over everybody. Thrown down with authority. Simmons drawing Drummond on the switch. Embiid, there's the lob for him. Joel, got it! Is it Simmons' 10th assist? If it is, it's a triple-double on that one, as Embiid will go to the line looking for one more. Yes, the triple-double for one Ben Simmons.
There it is, first one of his career, flashing on your screen. Big Ben, the Wizard of Oz.